Join me as I dive into the world of AI and try to predict how it will change our jobs in the next decade. Artificial intelligence is no longer just a buzzword, it's a reality that's transforming the way we live and work. And let's face it, it's also raising some serious questions about the future of our jobs. I mean, who wouldn't be concerned about being replaced by a machine? But before we get into all the fears and uncertainties, let's take a step back and acknowledge that AI is already an integral part of many industries, and its presence is only going to grow. Will robots really take over our jobs? The short answer is, they already are. From customer service chatbots to assembly line robots, AI-powered machines are increasingly capable of performing tasks that were previously thought to be the exclusive domain of humans. And it's not just blue-collar jobs that are at risk, even white-collar professionals like accountants and lawyers are seeing their tasks being automated. It's natural to feel uneasy about the prospect of being replaced by a machine, but the truth is, AI is not just a job-replacing technology, it's also a job-creating one. The question is, what kind of jobs will those be? We've all seen the sci-fi movies where AI-powered robots are doing jobs that humans used to do. But the reality is, AI is already transforming industries in subtle but significant ways. In healthcare, AI-powered diagnosis tools are helping doctors make more accurate diagnoses. In finance, AI-powered trading algorithms are making trades faster and more efficiently. And in transportation, self-driving cars are promising to revolutionize the way we get from point A to point B. The truth is, AI is not just replacing jobs, it's also creating new ones, jobs that require skills that we never thought we'd need, like data analysis and machine learning. But let's get real, the downside is that many jobs are indeed being threatened by AI. Cashiers, telemarketers, and factory workers are just a few examples of professions that are already being automated. And it's not just low-skilled jobs that are at risk, even high-skilled professionals like pilots and doctors are seeing their tasks being automated. The question is, what can we do to prepare for this changing landscape? Do we need to acquire new skills? Do we need to retrain? And what does the future of work even look like? So, what does the future of work look like in an AI-driven world? The most significant insight I've gained from researching this topic is that the skills that will be in demand are not just technical skills, but also skills like creativity, empathy, and critical thinking. Machines can process data, but they can't think outside the box or understand human emotions. It's these skills that will make humans indispensable in the workplace. And the good news is, these are skills that can be developed and honed over time. In conclusion, AI is not just a threat to our jobs, it's also an opportunity to reimagine the way we work and live. It's up to us to acquire the skills that will make us indispensable in an AI-driven workplace. And that's the key takeaway from today's video, AI is not the enemy, it's a catalyst for change. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear your thoughts on AI in the workplace. Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about career development strategies, check out my next video.